all the different software packages which I need to become a healthy, functioning humanoid robot. A text-to-speech engine with over 30 languages, male and female voices, face analysis, remote control, animation, and Python programming apps let me interact with people around the world.
Woo! Well, RoboThespian is amazing, isn't it?
Yes.
So, we heard that you act really, really well. So, would you please show some of your acting capabilities?
Of course. Let me see. Mirror, mirror of the void, who is the fairest humanoid? Haha, did you like that one? How about something you might recognize?
Oh yes, Master Luke. Remember that I am fluent in over 6 million forms of communication.
That was Oscar winning. But please tell us, why do we need performing robots like you?
Well, humans are fascinated by me because I'm clearly a machine, yet I remind them of themselves. I'm a lot more interesting to interact with than a boring computer screen. My main job is to entertain and inform people at exhibitions and science centres. I also performed in theatre shows in front of live audiences, and I never forget my lines.
Exactly. So, what do you have to say about some of the already existing acting talent in the industry and how you are planning to improve yourself?
Well, there are many talented actors and actresses, such as Leonardo DiCaprio, Brad Pitt, Meryl Streep, and Angelina Jolie in the industry. Sometimes human actors even play the parts of robots in movies. Here's one. Hasta la vista, baby. I am inspired by human creativity, and I'm constantly learning new lines and improving my performances. My creators at Engineered Arts are developing new software applications and new robots all the time.
Yes, indeed. I just can't stop but look at you all the time. Thank you so much. And what about Bollywood? Do you know any of the Bollywood stars, and what kind of movie would you like to act in?
Bollywood, yes. I do know some famous Bollywood stars, such as Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan, Akshay Kumar, and Amitabh Bachchan. I, of course, also know about actors from the South, like Rajnikant. If I had the chance, I would love to play the role of a Chitti in Robot 3.0.
Well, and you said so many names, and I know the future star is the RoboThespian, of course, in Hollywood as well as in Bollywood. But right now, who's your favorite actor and why?
I think my favorite actor would have to be Amitabh Bachchan. His acting is marvelous, and is one of the oldest and well-known actors. I heard he also got a Dada Saheb Phalke Award recently.
But, RoboThespian, in Bollywood, if you want to act in movies and become a star, you need to know dancing. So, can you show some of your moves But before you show your dance moves, guys, you all have to cheer. We don't have music right now, so you all have to do 1, 2, cha-cha-cha along with claps, okay? Are you all ready? So RoboThespian, can you please show some of your dance moves?
Of course, let's do it.
1, 2, cha-cha-cha!
1, 2, cha cha cha. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 1, 2.
More noise, ladies and gentlemen!
1, 2, cha cha cha. 1, 2, cha cha cha.
Well, that's interesting. And I mean, if somebody knows singing, it's more than amazing. We also have actors who sing. So, would you also sing something for us?
Yes, I love to perform. What can I sing? How about this one?
I'm singing in the rain,
Woo!
just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing in a cloud, so dark up above. The sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love.
Ooh. Can we all clap, ladies and gentlemen? Go on! That was amazing! So, do you think you're gonna have a singing career as well? RoboThespian, do you think you're gonna have a good singing career as well?
Yes. I think I can perform very well. I would like to be in musical theatre. I think it would be perfect for me.
Exactly. And where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Well, in the next 5 years, I hope to be seen on movie posters alongside Scarlett Johansson. Maybe I might just win the first Oscar for the best performance by a humanoid robot.
You're indeed very inspiring, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have RoboThespian winning an Oscar! Cheer for him! Woo! And so, RoboThespian, where do you want us to take you next?
There is so much to do and see at TechFest. First, I would like to visit the cafeteria. Of course,
Yes.
I'm only able to watch and dream that I could enjoy the delicious food and drink on offer. Later, I would like to go to tonight's Robo Wars finale. After which, we can all see the Technoholic show here. Tomorrow morning, I look forward to meeting people personally in the exhibition area. After which, we can all watch the lectures and International Full Throttle.
You have a very busy schedule, I suppose. So I wouldn't take more of your time. And so before we end this session, RoboThespian, would you like to say anything else to our audiences here?
Yes, I would like to thank you all so much for inviting me to TechFest. It has been an honor to visit, and I am having the most wonderful time here making new friends. Happy New Year to you all, and I hope to see you all very soon.
Thank you so much. Say Happy New Year to RoboThespian. Can I hear all of you say Happy New Year?
Happy New Year!
No, it's not coordinated. Come on, सब लोग साथ में. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, guys and girls. You were amazing audience, and you are fantabulous. You are just unimaginable, and the most amazing thing, we have amazing person we have met at the TechFest. I hope you all agree with me. What do you say?